Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the limited access problem in Discord. This usually happens when you can't join a server, send messages, or access certain features. Let's figure out what's going wrong and fix it step by step. Check your internet connection. First things first, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if you're on your phone, or restart your router if you're on PC. 2. Check for server outages. Sometimes Discord itself is the problem. Go to discordstatus.com and see if there are any outages. If so, you'll have to wait for Discord to fix it. 3. Verify your account limited access can also mean your account isn't fully verified. Open Discord, go to Settings, then My Account, .check. If there's a banner asking you to verify your email or phone number. If yes, follow the prompts to complete the verification. Update the app if you're using the Discord mobile or desktop app. Make sure it's updated. On mobile, go to the App Store or Play Store and check for updates. On PC, close Discord completely, then reopen it. It should auto-update. You can also right-click the Discord icon in the taskbar and choose Quit Discord, then reopen. 1. Try a VPN or switch networks. Sometimes your IP might be restricted. Try using a VPN or connecting from a different Wi-Fi or mobile network. Reinstall Discord. If none of the above work, uninstall and reinstall Discord. This can clear corrupted files and reset permissions. And there you go. One of these steps should help fix the limited access issue in Discord. If this helped you out, leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Got any questions? Let me know in the comments, and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching.